Shubani pibro te hakane khobor ta kade khobor laikam te kajing laikam hapoka robber boot online recruitment application by using the recruitment link in the website www.robberboot.gov.in are invited from eligible candidate for direct recruitment of the post of field officer in the robber boot by 2nd May 2022 haka Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Government of India candidate robber boot te kadon kalau tulis post kadon live sau tulis post vacancy field officer live sau tali UR kade khatway OBC kade nyau SC kade khatway ST kade R tali EWS kade lai tali dek tu kibaran kam kisa page te qualification kade bachelor degree in agriculture or botany kita mau arti bachelor degree in agriculture or botany from a recognized university place of posting kadai North Eastern region te Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal and Mizoram. Takadaw nga suppose kanin warba kadai po North East te kadon live of the league vacancy te kumno ban apply the candidate should attend the written test at Guwahati lana Agartala ma te kumno ban apply lang to candidate must apply online using the recruitment link in the website www.robberboot.gov.in terlihat hapo ka website te kandon ka recruitment link te salung tu beda sependam te ngan pen EAP mo ngal le chapo ka website kene website recruitment robber online application for eligibility for the post of field officer advertisement kade arjar par strik date khapra lai arjar par kema te selection for North Eastern region online registration commencement dari artrik menibasau asnang do artrik menibasau kan ko do artrik menibasan no nang don bun porba examination fee nil non kam the visit site recruitment robberboot.org.in kanema visit ekane site recruitment robberboot.org.in tesa klik ma fee nang tu kitu gibaran kaman apply lai cheka website jongka robberboot.gov.in tesa wat ekane link na klik dari ekane link sa apply hima fee online pihak register shwa supply online nam takini telakan mau ka qualification kadai bachelor degree in agriculture or botany tangkine kijing putip